Let's learn shajria letters or shajria haroof. Actually, shajria letters are from the makhraj al-lisan. In al-lisan, there are 9 makhraj: lahatia, shajria, hafiya, tarfiya, litaiya, liswaya, and safiria. Today we are gonna learn shajria. We have done so far lahatia. We also have done halkia and the jofia. You can find the link in the description or in the I button. Welcome to my channel, Ever Best Arabic Advisor. This is our lesson number 4. The lesson number 4 in which we will learn what are shajria haroof. The letter pronounced from Vastur Lisan are shajria letter or shajria haroof. They are 3 in number and they are Jim, Sheen and Ja. Why we call them shajria? Because shajria is from the word shajar and shajar means tree. While pronouncing these letters, the throat and the tongue is just like a shajar tree. Throat is just like a trunk and the tongue spread just like the canopy. That's why it's called shajria. Let's learn the makhrij of these letters. First, we'll learn the makhrij of sheen. Makhraj of sheen is it is pronounced from the middle of the tongue and the roof of the mouth. What lies opposite to it with a small space to release some air. Let's repeat. The letter sheen is pronounced from the middle of the tongue when it is raised to the roof of the mouth and what lies opposite to it. With a small space to release some air, it means we do not touch the roof of the tongue, palate. Instead, we let space some there so we can pronounce the letter sheen. Actually, for while pronouncing letter sheen, there is a spreading sound. Sh, sh, sh. For this spreading sound, we let the some space, which helps us to pronounce the proper sheen. So while pronouncing sheen, it be sh, sh, sh sound. Makhraj of jim. Jim is pronounced from the middle of the tongue and the roof of the mouth, but just like the letter sheen and what lies opposite to it. But the difference is in Jim, we make a strong closing than the letter sheen. It means the middle of the tongue touch the palate and we do not let the some space. Just like G, G, Ja, G. You feel we do not let some space, instead, we cover the roof. Letter makhraj of Ya. It is pronounced from the middle of the tongue and the roof of the mouth, but lies opposite to it with teaming. Y, y, y. From Jeen and Sheen, Ya is little behind toward the roof of the tongue or roof of the mouth or palate. Y, y. Okay, let's practice. First, we will practice Sheen. Read with me. Ash, ash, sha, she, shu, sha, she, shu. Quraish, Quraish. Shay'in, shay'in. Shi'ta, shi'ta. You feel? While pronouncing sheen, there is spreading sound. Quraish, shay'in, shi'ta. Let's practice again. Ash, sha, she, shu. Quraish, shay'in, shi'ta. Now let's practice Jim. Aj, aj. Actually, Jim is also a echo letter, so if it gives a bouncing sound in its jazm condition when it is in sukoon condition. Aj, ja, ji, ju. ja, ji, ju, jita, jita, naj'al, naj'al, جزاؤهم جزاؤهم. Practice with me. Aj. Make it a echo sound. Aj. Ja. Ji. Ju. Jita. Jita. Naj'al. Naj'al. جزاؤهم جزاؤهم. Now practice ya. I. I. Ya. Ji. You. Ya. Ji. You. يعملون يعملون فليعمل فليعمل يفقهون يفقهون. Practice with me. I, ya, ye, you. يعملون فليعمل يفقهون. This is enough for today. See you next in the next video with a new makhraj. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Assalamu alaikum.